Hello folks, Scott with Dallas Paint Correction. Before I started this video, I was laughing. You guys ever watch this guy on Facebook? He makes these reels where he makes fun of his Cuban Spanish father. Scott, what you having? I know it probably doesn't make sense, but if you could find this guy, him and his wife love to tease his Spanish background, or upbringing with his father, and he kind of imitates his father. It's hilarious. I'm going to talk about something and you guys are going, Scott, what you having in your hands? But anyway, I'll shut up now. I want to talk about something here. We're in my garage. I hope the lighting's good. I feel like outside in direct sunlight, too bright, too far into the garage, too dark. I'm trying to get it just right. But I want to talk about an interior ceramic sealant. It is a product I found about a year ago, and I am absolutely in love with it. This is my 5-year, 6-year daily driver. I don't really put anything on the inside of this thing. I may have tested things over the years, but usually I would just use a water-based dressing or something like that. But I cleaned the panel off. There are a couple of ways you can go here. 303 makes some protectants. I'll do the air quotes like Nixon. They're supposed to help with UV fading and stuff like that. Sorry, that stuff doesn't work. It's all a gimmick. But anyway, you can put, these days we have solvent-based ceramic coatings that can go on the interiors. They can go on leather. They can go on interior plastic. Those are great. Those can be a little expensive. There's some people who don't want to work with the solvent for whatever reason. I get it for health reasons. They may not want to introduce a solvent-based product inside their cockpit, inside their car. Cool, I get it. What I'm going to show you is a water-based, I call it a dressing slash ceramic sealant. Folks, this stuff really blows my mind. All the years I've been using some type of interior dressing for my clients, I always wanted a water-based dressing. I don't want it to look gaudy. I don't want it to be overly glossy. I don't want it to be sticky, kind of like an Armor All product. I don't want that, right? So water-based dressings like Meguiar's Hyper Dressing, you've seen me talk about that years ago. I like those things. Easy, quick, dust doesn't stick to it, and you move on. These things, unfortunately, don't last all that long. What I'm going to show you is a product. This is made by Star-Brite. It's their ceramic line. It's their Vinyl Protect. They've been around for a while. They're in the marine industry. They also have a Vinyl and Protect guard that's not ceramic based. That's not the one I'm talking about. I'm talking about this one here, Star-Brite Ceramics Vinyl Protect. This can go on plastics, leather, vinyl. And folks, I found this about a year ago, and I can't stop using it. I can't stop talking about it with friends that want to use something inside their car. It's water-based. What's great about this stuff is that when you get it on the plastic or you get it on leather, you get it on vinyl, it lasts for probably up to 6 months. It's going to be hydrophobic. It's water-based. The other thing that's really cool, folks, is we all can get it. Well, I'll be careful what I have to say here. You can get this stuff. I get it at Academy Sports. Most people, I think, are probably going to have like an Academy Sports close by or a Bass Pro Shop. They carry this. At Academy Sports, it's like $24.99 for 22 fluid ounces. I will tell you this, you can get this online with certain type of marine companies. I think westmarine.com is one. You can get it between $16.99 and $19.99. I like the fact that all of us, if you got an Academy Sports close by, you can pick it up today, walk in and get it. So I kind of like that. I also like the fact that, it's local to me, so I can get it. I don't have to order online. And it's one of the best interior dressings I've ever used. It's one of the best interior ceramic sealants to help make the surface hydrophobic, easy for spills and cleans, spills and stains to clean them later. Folks, I'm going to show you how I use this stuff. I shake it up. I got a tape line here. Why? Because the kids on YouTube seem to like it. And I'm going to treat half this panel. I shake this stuff up well, and I'm going to spray it onto an applicator. This is a new applicator, so I'm going to kind of prime it up and make sure it's kind of wet. And then I'm going to go in here and just apply it to the plastic. It's got a really nice scent. It's got like a coconut, pina colada type of scent, but not a scent that lingers forever. It's not going to sit around for a long time. It's not going to annoy the crap out of you. But I get that on that plastic. And then I'm just going to, sometimes I let it sit. Just depends on the temperature and humidity at the moment when I'm applying it. I'll let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll go in, and I'm not trying to completely remove the product, just remove some of the excess product. That's cool. Now I'm going to go and do this top half here, folks. When I apply an interior dressing for my clients years ago, I wanted something that made the plastic pop. I didn't want it to be gaudy. I didn't want it to be slick to the touch. I didn't want it to be wet. I didn't want it to look like Armor All. But I definitely wanted something that caught my clients' eyes. I wanted them to know I put something on the plastic. That's exactly what this stuff does. And it does it in a way that just makes OEM finishes look, it's hard to explain. You're gonna have to just try it on your own, see what you think. But when we pull this tape line off, folks, it is absolutely fantastic. Go in, let it sit for a couple of seconds. Sometimes I'll let it sit for a minute if I'm not working at 95 degrees. But I'll go in, just lightly buff off the excess. Again, I'm not trying to remove the product. I just want to buff off the excess so it's not streaky or anything like that. And now I'm going to pull the tape line off on this stuff, folks. Watch this. Got a little bit of drip here. And then I'm going to bring you in and let you see that, folks, by far, one of the best interior dressings and sealants. Lasts up to 6 months on plastic, leather, vinyl. It's not solvent-based, so if you're sensitive to that stuff, you've got a nice water-based product. This stuff, if I hit it with water, if I had like a little spray bottle by tomorrow, when it fully cures, it'll be very hydrophobic. Let me zoom you in so you can kind of see that. I think you guys should be able to see that definite line of demarcation. You see that? Oh yeah, Scott, we can see that easily. And this stuff here, it just makes the plastic look brand new again with a nice little pop, not overly shiny, not overly glossy, but my clients are gonna know I was on this panel and I left something on their car that's gonna protect their plastic, and this will do it up to 6 months. Folks, one of the best interior dressings and ceramic sealants. I call it an interior sealant. Here it is, you get a close look to it. What I like about it is all of us can buy it locally. Zoom out a little bit and come in. Star-Brite Ceramics Vinyl Protect. Make sure it's the ceramic line because they've got another one that's just water-based, but it's not ceramic-based. This stuff is the best interior dressing sealant I've ever used. Hydrophobic, will be that way for 6 months, and a nice OEM pop to the finish on the interior plastics, leather, and even rubber. Hope that helps you out.